Rivers State House of Assembly kicks off 2023 with historic first plenary. Hello everyone, welcome back to Think Tank TV today. As the sun rose over the vibrant city of Port Harcourt, lawmakers gathered in Rivers State House of Assembly for a historic moment. The first plenary session of the year 2023. The anticipation in the air was palpable as the representatives, both new and returning, prepared to address key issues that would shape the state's legislative agenda. The Speaker of the State House of Assembly in person of Martin Amaewhule kicked off the session with a powerful address, highlighting the Assembly's commitment to the people of Rivers State. The Speaker outlined the legislative priorities of the state, touching on crucial issues such as the newly achieved Peace Pact by the both factions. We hope this signals the arrival of peace in the state as we promise to continually update you guys on current happenings. Please don't forget to hit the like button and drop your comment in the comment section. Let's get to know what your thinking is in the current political landscape in Rivers State, and we shall continually be here to serve you.